Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you'll be notified. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to watch the ads, please. So in today's video guys, I left my son for, this is the third day now, for 2 hours each and every day because we had promo work, and I just didn't want to inconvenience our staff because it's now it's festive season, it's family time, and we just came back from a massive setback and people had plans. So sorry guys, oh, this masks. So I decided I was gonna do the promo work myself. So I was working on the 22nd, on the 23rd, today's the 24th. It's both 2 hours, and it's been very tough on me because I had to leave my son. My son is breastfeeding and he only started eating solids like a few weeks ago when he turned 6 months. So he's not really familiar with the solids. We're still trying to figure out what is his favorite food, you know. So far he doesn't like butternut, he doesn't like sweet potato flavors or foods, baby foods rather, and we're just trying to figure out more on what he likes. He doesn't want, what do they call it, formula. He's refusing. So for the past 2 days, since this is the third day, he's been doing great really. He hasn't been crying. I was told the only time he started crying was when it was like quarter to 7, and I was starting every day. I was starting at 5 until, no sorry, 5:15 until 7:15. So it's so heartbreaking for me really. Like, it's the longest time I have had to go without my son. The only time where I stay like for a few minutes without seeing my son is when my mom, you know, maybe wants to take him so I can take a nap. Other than that, I always have my son with me all day, every day. So I just wanted to capture this moment because wow, I just never thought it was gonna be this difficult. I'm super proud of myself for, you know, surviving the 3 days, and he's been great. Honestly, he's been great. I think for this 3 days he was trying to get used to not having me around for 2 hours, and every time I get to see him he would be sleeping, and every time I'd ask them if he cried, they'll tell me that he actually cried for a few minutes, and just knowing that he cried actually breaks my heart so much. But you know, mama's gotta work, mama's gotta hustle mama's gotta hustle. And I figured out that I actually found out that I'm not as strong as I used to. Okay, maybe I'll get back to normal when I'm like, you know, when the baby's probably a year. So the promos were for like 2 hours, right? And then I had to wear heels, but I felt like I was wearing, you know, I felt like the heels I was wearing were uncomfortable, but they were like the most comfortable heels that I was wearing. Also, I'm so sorry that I'm filming outside. Like, the setup is different. I wanted to film inside the mall because I was working at the mall. The reason why I couldn't film inside the mall was because there's so much noise, not from people, but they're playing music. So I don't want any copy strikes, copyrights, copy claims on my videos. So that's the reason why I'm filming outside. Yeah guys, so it turns out I'm not as strong as I used to be. The heels were uncomfortable for me, yeah, because I was standing for 2 hours. Heels were uncomfortable for me, and I promise you this heels are like the most comfortable heels that I have. We used to do promotions for like 4 hours, 6 hours, and I'd wear heels and I wouldn't have a problem. But right now I just figured out it's a lot for me. I cannot. But however, I survived the 4 hours. no, sorry, I survived the 2 hours, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, guys, basically that I left my son for 2 hours for 3 days, and it was so heartbreaking. The first day was difficult, it was so hard, and then the second day was a bit better. Today was way better because he was very happy. He was in a good mood, he was very happy, so it was easier for me to leave him behind, because he wasn't clingy or anything like that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.